Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to extract RAR and zip files and also how to compress any file to a zip or RAR format. The software we'll be using for this is called WinRAR. Well, what is WinRAR? WinRAR is simply a file archiver. You will get to understand better as you continue to watch this video. Although there are other tools out there that are effective for extracting RAR files, WinRAR is the most popular and most used globally. Without wasting time, let's jump straight to it. Now we open our search engine. In my case, I'm using Google. Search WinRAR. WinRAR, then enter. Alright, so now we have to ensure to click on the link to the official website, the first one. We have options to buy WinRAR. We have options to download WinRAR. In this case, we are going to download because it's a free app anyway. And just to be clear, you have to check, are you using a 32-bit or 64-bit computer? So I'm going to go ahead and download WinRAR because I'm using a 64-bit computer. Scroll down, then download WinRAR. Click on the blue icon there. Alright. Now we have to wait. Alright. Start download. And here I'm using a download manager. In your case, it's going to end up in your downloads anyway, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, now download is complete. Go ahead, open the folder. So here we have the setup. Right click and run as administrator. Select that. Alright, install. Alright, here we have on the left side we have this option that says associate WinRAR with. We don't have to do anything on the side. Usually I just leave it the way it is. I'll go ahead and check on the add WinRAR to desktop. This is useful, so you have WinRAR icon on your desktop. Click OK. Alright, done. Installed already, so this is the file location. We just go ahead and close that. Alright, so let's check it out. Here we have WinRAR on our desktop. Double click to open it. So you'll be getting this prompt to buy WinRAR, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Just close it. This is pretty much the interface, easy to use. So I'm going to close these and I'll proceed to show you how to extract a RAR or zip file. Before that, let me quickly show you how to add WinRAR to default. Set WinRAR in default apps. So go ahead and type default apps. Alright, double click on that. Default apps. Okay, scroll all the way down. Now we're looking for WinRAR. Down. Okay, that's it. Double click on that. Now we proceed to look for any file that doesn't have the WinRAR icon in it, like this one. Double click on that. Then select WinRAR archiver. Go down, set default. Alright, we're gonna scroll down again and do the same thing on this one that says disk image. Double click on that. Select WinRAR archiver. Then set default. So now we'll proceed to check to ensure every single file has WinRAR icon on it. Then we'll go ahead and close it. Now I'm going to show you how to extract a RAR file. Alright, I have a sample file here. Go ahead and double click on that. Good. So this interface opens. Here I'll go ahead and drag this to one side so you see what I'm about to do. Yeah. Here's a sample file. Then we're going to extract this file to another destination. Click on extract to. On the right side, you have options of where you want your file to be extracted to, the destination. So in my case, I want to choose the desktop. I select desktop and select OK. All right. There you have it. The file appears on the desktop. It's as simple as that. Now I'm going to show you another easy way to do this. We go back to a sample file. At this time we right click and go down to WinRAR. Extract here. So what this does is going to extract your file into the same location where your zip file is placed. Alright, so I'll go ahead and delete this sample file because I want to show you how to create a RAR file. So delete. Alright, so we'll proceed to right click on the sample file itself. Alright, to WinRAR, add to sample file RAR. It's as easy as that. You just created a RAR file. Now I will proceed to rename this file just so we don't get confused, because I will show you how to create a zip file. So right click on that, go down to WinRAR, add to archive. Alright, just go ahead and select zip. As we can see, it changes up there. One good thing about WinRAR is that you can actually set a password. You can encrypt your file. Alright, so we'll go ahead and click OK. Good. We just created a zip file. Now we have a zip and a RAR file. I know you may be wondering what's the difference between a zip and a RAR file. Well, a zip file is more accessible on various operating systems, while RAR is better at data compression. I hope you found this video helpful. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day.